Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make custom brushes on Photoshop. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial. Without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. So I'm going to bring in the image we're going to be using to make the custom brush, and we're going to be using this cloud image. So I'm going to fit into screen. So I'm going to select the crop tool. The crop tool. So we're going to crop the image first. So I'm going to crop the image first, just like this. Then click on the check button. So after doing that, I'm going to fit it to screen. Then on the keyboard, we're going to press Ctrl+Shift+U to saturate the image. Then on the keyboard to press Ctrl+L to bring out the levels. Then we're going to add some contrast to it. So I'm going to make the contrast 60, and then this 0.76, and then the last one 220. And then I click on OK. Then I'm going to invert it by pressing on our keyboard Ctrl+I. Then we'll go to image, then image size. I'm going to set the width to 2500, the height 2500, and then I'm going to select, go to edit, then go to click on divine brush preset. Then we're going to give a name to the brush. So I'm going to name it cloud brush, then click on OK. So now presently we have already created the brush already using this image. You can see it in the preset manager. Then we're going to bring in one image now to test the brush. So let me bring in the image to Photoshop. This is the image now. Then we're going to add a layer, then select the color, make it white. Then I'm going to increase the brush size a bit by using the brackets on the keyboard. You can see the image now. So we want to edit the cloud. I'm going to edit the cloud now. You can see it. So click on the adjustment layer, then click on gradient map. You can see it. Then select black and white color first. So wait, and then we are going to click mask it. So click on it back. Then we'll select the black color. So we're going to be adding shadow to the image, to the cloud. So we're going to pick the color from this image. I'm going to type in the color codes. So we're going to select the color for the highlight. So I'm going to type in the color code. as shown on the screen now. Oh, what's going on? Oh, sorry. Let me fix it. Oh, okay. Think, yeah. Now click on OK. So we're going to reduce the opacity to 80. Yeah. So that's it on how to create custom brushes. Create a custom brush using Photoshop. If you learned one or two things from this tutorial, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, and also if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop wonderful tutorial like this. See you in my next tutorial.